Yep, obviously move the stuff out of the pockets. It might be in your way. Cool, now put your body, or your whole body weight on it. You do a slight circle motion, you should get in this gap that's there. You should be able to tell her when she gets it. Yeah, there it is, all right. Try the other side as well. Do both sides, because this one's hard to find. Probably got to go a little higher. Yeah. Okay?
Go that way.
Whole body, come on. Yep, come on. Yes, definitely. Good job. How did it feel to you? Good. That might be something as simple as taking your finger and just pulling it out of the way a little. Okay, good job.